Hey, folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for all you car enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the 2025 BMW M3 LCI and the amazing updates it's bringing to the table. But before we get into that, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow car junkies, and of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to stay in the know about all things automotive. And now, let's jump into the content. Alright, so you might be wondering what's cooking with the 2025 BMW M3 LCI. Well, we've got some juicy details for you. First off, it's getting a fresh new look. Those LED headlights and taillights are nothing short of eye candy, especially with the OLED technology. Then there's the rear bumper, it's been reworked, and with those quad exhaust tips, it's giving this beast an aggressive and sporty appearance. The new Aero Kit package. It adds a fixed rear wing and a front splitter, which means this M3 is more than just looks. Now, it's not just about the exterior. Step inside, and you'll find a larger touchscreen and a digital instrument cluster. Plus, there are more personalization options available to tailor your driving experience. And the big news? The 2025 BMW M3 LCI is going hybrid. That's right, it's getting a hybrid powertrain. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.0-liter turbocharged flat-six engine, paired with an electric motor. This combo pumps out around 500 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque. It's not just eco-friendly, it's a performance beast, and there you have it, folks, the 2025 BMW M3 LCI in all its glory. If you're as excited as we are about this new M3 and you want to stay updated on all things automotive, don't forget to like this video.